Hey Izzy, I hope you're doing well. So to answer your question regarding the chatbot, I've been working through it, and I want to show you the new strategy that I'm going to adopt. So this strategy I am taking from, I'm not sure if you've heard him, but his name is Mitchell Harper. Mitchell Harper, and this guy here. So Mitchell Harper, he does a lot of lead generation, and he works basically in the software industry, or the software niche, so SaaS, software as a service industry. So he helps build up and scales software programs and platforms from kind of startup all the way to selling for um, big bucks. So this is a strategy that he uses with chatbots, and I want to adopt it and test it out. So I've actually been doing this across our own accounts, and we're seeing some pretty good results in terms of people actually coming back and calling in or booking in inbound lead calls with us. So here's the previous one that we had running with the actual bot. With the actual the six step blueprint. So we were just seeding it out to as a Facebook ad. Once they interacted with that ad, they'd get this message here. So then we would deliver the blueprint in Messenger to them, but at the same time we were capturing their email and their phone number prior to sending that. So I think what was happening and what feedback from you was that a lot of people were just giving fake numbers, fake emails, and not really wanting they just wanted the book. So I've kind of gone with that first, and following Mitchell Harper's approach, same sort of thing. So we'll just deliver the book and the blueprint straight then and there. So hit the button below when you're ready and we'll send the guide over. So once someone interacts with our ad on Facebook, they'll get sent this in Messenger. So they hit ready, and then we just go, as promised, Simon, here is the 6-step blueprint. Bang, they click it there. That's where it just ends. We just deliver that, give that value to them, let them consume that. So then we've tagged them, and then I've set up a sequence to go out 24 hours later. And that 24-hour later message will then send them follow-up. And this is where Mitch Harper's approach comes into it, and his strategy. So we'll follow up with 3 simple yes questions. And then so on the 4th yes, people are predisposed psychologically to always opt in or always say yes a 4th time after they've said yes 3 times. So we've just got 3 pretty simple questions. So, hey, did you get the book? Yes. We hope you enjoyed it. Have you considered starting your own consulting business? Yes, I'm sure, assuming they are. They've downloaded the book. And then the final one will be, we specialize in helping people launch their own consulting business in a special and relatively unheard niche, refund consulting. So that just piques their interest, and that kind of guides them along to this point here, where anyone who gets to this is obviously going to be interested or has some sort of emotional connection at this point. So we then send them this one. If they say, would you like to hear more about this unique industry and how you can get started? They say yes. And then I'll follow up with, okay, cool, give us your email, your phone number, and we can contact you. So with Mitch Harper, I've seen his case study, and he's seeing some pretty amazing results with that. We're doing it with one of our own lead magnets, and we're getting some pretty good results as well. I think we've cut down our cost per lead by quite a bit, or not cost per lead, but our cost per strategy call with us. So I'm going to test this out as well with you guys, and then hopefully, it works. I think it sort of plugs any little gaps or any areas that we had with the previous messenger bot that was going out. So I'll get that finished up, and I'll set it up live and go with that one today. If you've got any questions or any feedback, let me know. Thanks.